How to calculate OEE. OEE is determined by multiplying three key factors: availability, performance, and quality. Availability is all about how much your machines are up and running when they're supposed to be. It's the ratio of the operation time to the planned production time. Performance takes into account the speed at which your products are made. It compares the ideal cycle time to the total count produced during the operation time. Quality is the score of your good products. It's calculated by dividing the good count by the total count of parts produced. To learn more, check out the OEE online calculator in the description below. Here's a simplified way to understand the OEE formula. OEE equals fully productive time divided by planned production time. Think of fully productive time as that time when your machines are producing good parts without breakdowns or slowdowns. Planned production time is the schedule you've set for production to happen. When we break it down further, we see different types of time. All time, this is the total time your facility is capable of operating. Opening time, the portion of all time during which the plant is open. Planned production time, here, we exclude any periods when production isn't scheduled, such as weekends or planned maintenance. Run time, the actual time the equipment is running. Net run time, we subtract any small stops or slow cycles from run time. Fully productive time, this is net run time minus any defects and rework time. You can see how these times relate to each other and to the losses, like availability loss due to downtime, performance loss due to slow cycles or small stops, and quality loss when products are not good. For an example, check out the OEE calculation example link, which will guide you through the process. Now, let's move on to the second part,